Hi, today I want to show you how to make items centered vertically in DIVI theme. So, imagine our design has this layout, and we want to make text centered vertically with image. So what you should do? It's pretty easy to do, so don't worry. Click Settings for columns, Row Settings. Important, not this blue one. You should click green. Click Design, Sizing, and click Equalize column heights. So it did nothing. After that, you should click Advanced tab, Custom CSS, and write for main element align items center, and click Save. You see, it works great. Let's check how it works for mobile. Cool. It's all you should do. It works with all items. For example, I centered the same way my custom header. By the way, you can check my other videos how we did the custom header layout for DIVI theme. Don't forget to click Save, and let's check how it works on Leave page. Works perfectly. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.